Hey there, I have a fun origami lesson for you today. It's going to be an origami bunny. So, an origami, just FYI, makes my brain hurt. So if it makes your brain hurt, do not feel bad, okay? Just pause me, rewind me, and keep trying. Do not give up. Never, ever, ever give up on anything in life, okay? Keep trying. So, parents, all you need is a copy paper and then something to draw the bunny's face with. That could be markers, crayons, colored pencil, whatever you guys have at home. Highlighters, I don't know, a pen, okay? So, I am going to start with just a good old sheet of copy paper, but it has to be a square. All origami lessons are a square, okay? So I am going to fold. What I do is I fold the short side over to the long side where it meets right perfectly in the corner, okay? So fold that over. Sometimes, parents, it will help if you will hold the paper up here for them at the top and then let them do the creasing, okay? Now, what we need to do is get rid of this strip right here. So you can take your pencil and draw a line and then open it up and cut. Or, if you trust yourself, very carefully, kids, scissors are tools, not toys. So parents, if you need to, do this part for them. You cut this off, and I want you to save this piece because we're going to use it. Okay, so now we went from having a square, well, we had a rectangle, we turned it into a square. Then when it's folded in half, half of a square is a triangle, well, can be a triangle. And then we open it up and we're gonna fold it the opposite way. So here's our crease, it's vertical. We're gonna take our corners, go corner to corner, crease in the middle, and then zoop, zoop, to get it just like that. Next step is we are going to take the bottom and we're going to fold it up. So see, it kind of looks like a sailboat when you do that. Let me show you. Okay, see, it kind of looks like a sailboat. Now, this, I know it sounds weird, but this part is actually going to be the ears of the bunny. So if you want real skinny ears, then you would make a real skinny fold. If you want thicker ears, then you make a thicker fold, okay? So this fold is about as wide as, oh man, it's a little skinnier than my two fingers put together, so your two fingers put together might be perfect, okay? So now it looks like that, almost like a boat, okay? We're gonna take this edge right here and see how we have a middle crease right there. We're going to take this edge and we are going to fold it up towards the middle. So I am going to fold this one up towards the middle. You know what? It might help you to be able to see my middle line. I'm just going to grab something to trace it with. Don't do this part. You don't need to do this part. Or parents, you could do it for your kids. Okay. So now you can see where that middle line is, right? So I take this paper and I fold it up to that middle line, just like that, and put a crease. Okay? We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Fold them up together, put a crease. And it's okay if you have like a little bit of a gap in there. That's okay. That just means your ears will be a little further apart. See, when you turn it over, see his ears? So if you want them to be a little further apart, then move that over some and recrease. Move this one over some and recrease. There, okay? So now his ears are a little further apart, right? Okay, we want to take this bottom piece because his jaw is not pointy. So we want to take this bottom piece and fold it up. And because this is getting kind of thick because we have so many layers folded together, it's a little tricky to fold this bottom triangle up. Oh my goodness. Come on. Okay. Ugh, that corner. There we go. Got it. Okay. So now we got this bottom piece folded up right here. So this is the bottom of the face. When I turn it over, it looks like that now. If you want the face to be a little bigger, then you can bring it down some. Okay, you can bring that down a little bit so it's not folded up so high. Okay, now the top of the head, we need to flatten that some, right? So we're going to just fold that backwards, just like that. So it's just a little bitty, see? Oh, come on, focus. Don't focus on me. There, focus on the paper. So see, it's just a little bitty folded over piece right there, okay? So now we can turn it over and you get to have fun decorating it, okay? I'm gonna use a marker, black permanent marker, so you can see what I'm doing. You may not want to. I might want to put the center of the ears in. I might want to give him or her some little bunny eyes. You guys do your eyes how you want to. Maybe some eyebrows. If it's a girl, maybe some lashes. And then I am going to do a little triangle nose. And then I'm going to do a curve up. And a curve up. And then a little line right there. Rectangle almost. Vertical. Dot, 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 dot. And some whiskers, right? We gotta have some whiskers. There. So now you have this super cute little bunny face. Okay, so you can pause me if you need to and draw. Remember, think of everything as lines and shapes and designs, not as a finished product yet, okay? Now just have fun coloring. Think about, what colors do I want to use? This is violet red, or you could do pink. I mean, you could even do blue or green inside the ears if you want to. If you don't trust yourself to draw those lines with marker first, you could do them with pencil and then go back and trace them with marker, right? Okay, and then how about a little pink nose? Little pink nose. And how about some blue-green eyes? Now, I just use good old copy paper for this, but really you could use construction paper if you wanted to, and then pick a color for your bunny to be. And then I'm going to use, let me try this peachy color for its mouth area. There we go. Nice. And then if I wanted to, I could add like some gray fur kind of on my bunny. Just sort of go over and make all these little quick short lines. Quick, short, short, quick, quick, quick lines. There we go. Quick, 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 quick lines. Do a little on the ears. I'm going to show you up close what I'm doing. Okay, so now, whoop, oh my goodness, slow down, Kimberly. All right, there is my cute little bunny. I love, love, love it. So cute. Okay, that, my friends, is an origami bunny. And your little origami bunny can play with your other origami animals that you made, and you could come up with a whole story. We have an origami cat, and we have an origami dog, so you could watch videos on those. And then we've made bookmarker bunny, and we've made a bookmarker frog that are kind of origami as well. So have fun with this. Maybe go back and watch some of my other videos so you can make some other origami creatures. And if you liked this, make sure and like the tab, like the page, and so that way you can see more videos that I've made. I had so much fun creating with you guys today, and I cannot wait to make some more art.